Bloomscape. We build custom websites for free. Ohkie.com. Welcome to Startups. Everyone should live a little greener life. One simple way to do this is by surrounding your home with plants and other living specimens that can give you a boost of oxygen and a beautiful new look to your home. Bloomscape is here to help strengthen your relationship with plants. They make buying plants easy by delivering healthy, ready-to-go greenery to your door and setting you up with the tips and tricks you need to help your plants thrive. Plants make life better. Bloomscape makes plants easy. In an already saturated industry, Justin Mast saw a new way in: fast, affordable delivery of mature potted plants in sizes small, medium, large, and extra large. He grew up in his parents' greenhouses, learning while they built their business supplying young plants to greenhouses across the United States. During this time, they perfected how the plants keep healthy during shipment and developed a deep understanding of the horticulture supply chain. When you order the plant, it only spends 3 to 4 days going from their greenhouse to your front door. This means your plant arrives healthy and robust. Their plants are shipped with care and experience. They've learned how to keep plants at the right temperature, protect the roots, and keep them healthy while in transit to your home. If you're a bit of a greenhorn at being a green thumb, you won't have to worry when you order your plants through Bloomscape. From simple, customized care instructions included with your plant to real-time expert support, they make plant care easy. You can email, call, and chat with their support team anytime, and they will be happy to help. You can now design your home with fully grown and thriving plants, all with support and knowledge in the palm of your hand. Bloomscape is a sure hit for all the Zen plant people out there.